goodness, it looks so beautiful. Hold on, it's really hard to do with one hand, honestly. Instead of using my foot. As you can tell, my sister's boyfriend right there is balancing the tire. He's getting it on, and the reason why I skipped him putting the tire on the rim first, because that is the first step, is because like I'm not really too worried about that, and I just wanted to see if the vibration was there on the new rim or not. And as you can tell, there's no actual wobble, there's no shaking or nothing of that sort, which is a plus. So it didn't sell me a messed up rim like somebody did before, which was really upsetting. I'll get to that in another day, in another video. But we're here and everything looks good, and I'm really stoked about it too, because now our baby has some fresh wheels in the front. So excited. There it is. Baby's looking sexy now. The brand new tires and the brand new wheels. I just lied. It's just brand new wheels, no brand new tires. We made it to Firestone so I can get that alignment. Whenever you do mess with the suspension on any vehicle, if you replace anything or tweak anything, my best recommendation is to get your car aligned, because it will cause some wear and tear that's unbalanced, and that's not what you want. And as you can see, he's having a little trouble getting the car on the lift. That little, the little stall right there, it took him a while to figure out how to put it in drive. It happens a lot. It sucks, because I really can't really trust or feel comfortable whenever I take the car to the shop. I recorded a bit of the guy doing his thing, getting the car aligned. I got a bad story about Firestone for sure, that I got to tell you guys and girls later on. But nonetheless, that's for another video. And here she is, all nice and done. They're pulling her out. Damn, dude, she looks so damn sexy. Oh, also, I didn't finish the side skirt yet. This video is from so long ago. This is how far behind I am. It's so sad. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and also hit the like button too, please. Until next time.